How to add music to Facebook post. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to add music to your Facebook post, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to easily add a song to your photo on Facebook in just a few simple steps. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. First, grab your mobile device and then you need to open your Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Once you're in the app, you need to tap on What's on Your Mind at the top of your screen. Now, once you have done that, you need to tap on Photo or Video. Then, you need to simply select the photo that you want to add in your newsfeed. Now, after you have done that, you need to tap on Next. Once you have done that, you can see the edit option at the top of the photo. Simply tap on that. Now you can see the music icon at the top of your photo. You need to tap on the music icon. From here, you can either select the suggested music or you can also search for the music that you would like to add to your photo. Once you are happy with your selections, tap on Done and that's it. You have successfully added music with lyrics on your Facebook post. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.